Hi kids! Welcome to Zyviko Kids! Today, we have a magical mystery box. Can you guess what's inside? Let's find out!
Look, it's an apple. What color is it? It's red. R-E-D. Red apple.
Let's find out! Wow! Here comes a banana! And it's yellow! Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow banana! Grapes! These grapes are green. G-R-E-E-N. Green grapes.
Yummy blueberries. Can you say blue? B-L-U-E. Blue blueberries.
And look, an orange! It's the color orange! O-R-A-N-G-E. Great job, kids! You learned so many colors today! Subscribe to Zyviko Kids for more fun! See you next time!